That is a ripper jack, the size of that one. Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. Well, I hope you like this video this morning. I headed out early. We've had a couple of days of rain and the water's gone quite murky. I know there's been quite a few reports of jacks being caught, so I was going to go last night, one of my mates, but didn't get a chance unfortunately, so I thought I'd come out nice and early this morning and have a bit of a troll around around my local lake system. So yeah, I went out for a bit of a cruise, managed to hook a really solid jack, as you'll see in this footage. Really solid, healthy fish, big red jack, and yeah, epic, absolutely epic. Probably my PB jack actually, I think, so I'm pretty stoked with that. I'll just give you a quick rundown on what I was using this morning. This is the Evergreen Grand Searcher. You've probably seen it in my earlier videos. This is pretty much my go-to jack lure for trolling. These are the BKK Viper hooks on here, super sharp hooks. You're never going to miss a fish with them on there. I'm just running 30-pound FC Rock fluorocarbon. I've got 30-pound Pandora braid, which I run on my bait caster. That's a Tatula Type R, and this is a Cranks Nano 6.2, and it's 5 to 8 kilo, and that really does the job. As you'll see in this video, this fish tried to brick me on the jetty. It had numerous goes. Probably one of the strongest pulling jacks actually that I've caught. I think because it was in such close proximity to that jetty, it really wanted to get home. So I was just trolling basically around sort of 3 knots around the edge of the drop-off. Just gone past a drain and a rocky sort of outcrop, and I think he was hanging just on the edge of that drop-off. So yeah, hope you like the video. It's only going to be a short one, this one, so yep, enjoy. See you in the next one. It's a really good jack. Oh man, he's got some go about him. Real go about him. Man, try to get me on the jetty there. He's done now. He's done. Oh, come on. jack. Oh my god, that is a monster jack. Oh, holy dooly. That is a ripper jack. The size of that one. It's the Evergreen Grand Searcher. He just nailed that, absolutely nailed it. He said it's a good sized jack. He's had a real good hit at that one. So yeah, that's on the troll, doing about 3 knots. He's come up and he's absolutely bopped it. Let's put him down. Let's have a look at what size he is. That's the Evergreen Grand Searcher. Had a real good smash at it. So that's a quality fish. Let's get him back already. And he's off. What a ripper. Unreal. Unreal.